to show you guys that Harbor Freight had to offer to the young up and coming detailers that's on a budget. Just want to help themselves. I'm always out to help others. But if you got time, check out Harbor Freight. Some of the things that they have to offer that will help you get your business started or help you further your business in equipment and supplies and a lot more there for you. Tools, everything. Just check it out. Check out the link in the description. Y'all like the video, y'all share, subscribe to the channel, man, and let me know what y'all think. I'll let you boy. I will leave a link in the description to all detailing tools at Harbor.